In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a website with Hostinger Website Builder, and the best part, it only takes 5 minutes. So, if you're new to website building or just looking to get your ideas online with ease, you've come to the right place. Let's dive into it. First things first, we need to head over to Hostinger's website. So, open your browser and go to the Hostinger homepage. Once you're there, you'll be greeted with a simple, user-friendly interface. Now don't be overwhelmed by the array of options. We're going to focus on the essentials today. The next step is to log in. You'll find the login button prominently displayed on the homepage. Go ahead and click it. If you already have an account, simply enter your credentials to log in. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to sign up. It's quick and easy, just follow the prompts provided. Once you're logged in, you'll be directed to the Hostinger dashboard named the Home section. This is where all the magic happens. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. It's designed to be intuitive, with clear sections to guide you through your website building journey. Now we're going to focus on creating a site. On the dashboard, locate and click on the Website tab. This section is dedicated to managing all your websites. You'll likely see a list of any existing sites you've created, but for today's tutorial, we're starting fresh. So, look for the Add Website button. It's usually prominent, likely highlighted in a standout color. Clicking Add Website takes us to a new page where we have two options, creating a new site or migrating an existing one. We're going to select Create a Website. It's as simple as clicking the Create option, bringing you one step closer to having your very own site. Now let's talk about domains. If you already have a custom domain, great, you can link it later. For today we'll use a temporary domain, which Hostinger provides for free. It's a useful feature for those who want to get started quickly or are unsure about committing to a custom domain right away. Click on Use Temporary Domain. That's it, in just a few steps you've laid the foundation for your very own website. Hostinger's tool will guide you through the rest, helping you choose a template and customize your site to suit your needs. Whether it's a blog, portfolio, or business site, you're on your way to bringing your ideas to life online. Thanks for joining me in this quick and straightforward tutorial on starting a website with Hostinger. Don't forget to explore Hostinger's other features to optimize your website even further. Happy building!